wa, x, ya, z, qua, ch, sh, a, e, I, O, U, A, O, Ow, Oi, E, Y, A, Ow, E, Oi, U, O, W, Ew, O, E, A, E, I, O, U,
Said, have, like, so, do, some, come, little, one, were, there, what, when, out,
O, Mr, Mrs, people, there, called, looked, asked, could.
And welcome back to your Phase 5A Phonics. Today we're going to be continuing on to learn a brand new sound, which today is going to be the OR sound. As you can see, an A and a W makes an OR sound. So see if you can have a go at saying that phoneme with me. OR, OR, OR. Now before we go ahead and read that today, we are going to practice writing it. So if you've got a pen or paper to hand, do grab those now and practice writing this grapheme with me. So first of all, I'm going to do my A. So I'm going to go round the apple and down the leaf. I'm then going to go straight into my W, down, up, OR. Now if you choose to try and join that a little bit later on, I'm just going to show you how you might do that. So I'm going to start with my A like I normally would. So I'm going to go round the apple, down the leaf. Now when I get to my leaf, I'm actually going to go straight up into my W before going down, up, as normal. Let's see if you can do some sounding out with me now then. You say the sound as I press the sound button. Y, on, yawn. Oh, what a big yawn. Next, S, or, saw. We had a saw in our shed which was very sharp. Or, raw. The meat was not cooked, so it was raw. I'm going to give you 6 words now that I want you to have a little read through. Do feel free to pause the video and try and sound out these 3 words here and these 3 pseudo words over here. So my first real word over here was p, or, paw, like a pet might have. Their paw. The next one, or, straw. I put a straw in my drink. Lastly, k, or. Your cat or your dog might have claws, or your hamster. Okay, my first pseudo word, all, thall, and I've got or, e. My Y on the end of that word creates an E sound. And lastly, or, plaw. Do pause the video now and have a read of our sentence. Hopefully you spotted all of our tricky words in there. I can see one straight away. What's that word? You. You. W-I-L. You will. Eed. Need. You will need to. Tricky word. You will need to wear. Wear. You will need to wear a shawl. Do you know what a shawl is? It's like a big scarf that you might wrap around your shoulders. You will need to wear a shawl to go out, on the lawn. You will need to wear a shawl to go out on the lawn. So let's see your segmenting hands ready. And we're going to go straight in with our first word, which is the word crawl. Crawl. You might see a baby trying to crawl, so segment that with me. Crawl. Show me your phoneme fingers. How many has it got? 4. All. Crawl. Fantastic. Pause the video and have a go at spelling that by yourself. I'm going to curl around the caterpillar for that first one. I'm going to go with my new digraph from today. All. All. Now my second and final spelling that I'm going to give you today, some of you might like to do this at home, I certainly like to do this, is the word draw. Draw. Segment it with me. Or. Draw. Phoneme fingers. 3. Or. The first phoneme I can hear is a D sound, so I'm going to go round his bottom, up his tall neck, down to his feet. Down my robot and over his arm. And then I'm going to go in with my brand new digraph that I've learnt today. I've even tried to join it up. Or. Fantastic. So, we've come to the part of our phonics session where we are going to have a go at writing our own sentence now. See if you can count my words as I tell you my sentence. So, my sentence goes, do people stretch their jaw when they yawn? 8 words for that one. Do people stretch their jaw when they yawn? See if you can say it. I'm going to use a capital D. Do. D-O. That is a tricky word, so I hope you remembered that one. Do people is another tricky word. P. E. O. P. L. E. Do people. Now this next word was stretch. See if you can segment that with me. S. T. E. T. Ch. Fantastic. Stretch. I wonder if you got that right. Do people stretch there. Now this one, I wonder if you got this one correct, because some of you might have put this type of there. Now, although that is spelt correctly, that is the wrong there for this sentence, okay? This there, we need to use the E-I-R spelling because we are talking about a person, okay? The jaw belongs to the person, so we are using this there. Do people stretch their? Next word was my jaw. So I'm going to do a descender for my J. I'm going to use my brand new diagraph I've been looking at today. I'm going to even see if I can join that up. Up, down, up, down, up. Do people stretch their jaw? When? When? Another tricky word. They. Spell this one with me. The word was yawn. I had Y, A, W into N. Think about what type of sentence this is. Do people stretch their jaw when they yawn? That is, of course, a question. So I do need to make sure I've got a question mark.